Hello friends, welcome to Hematech. I am Sapan Pandya. In this video, I am going to show you ASFT, Automated Squeeze Force Tester. We all know that in evaluating a medication, ease of use is an important factor as its effectiveness. Now, along with that, to determine correct dosage of medication developers need to determine break or leak of packaging under normal usage condition. Secondly, while use of medication bottle, finger strength is required to dispense the liquid from the bottle. If patient or caregiver find difficulty in administering a medication, then this can lead to poor compliance, which can come into poor treatment results or further disease progression.
To develop new medication bottles or nozzles design, the dispensing or leak rates need to be predetermined as per the content in the bottle. Now, what are the factors involved while use of medication bottle? First, rigidity of the plastic bottle, length of the nib, viscosity of the medication, dimensions of the bottle. Hematech Automated Squeeze Force Tester consider all those factors and provide solution to manufacturers to determine the finger strength needed to squeeze different bottle design made from variety of plastic material. Automated Squeeze Force Tester perform test at two different angle setups. One is 90-degree angle, second 45-degree angle. 90-degree angle is to simulate assisted administration of the drop. 45-degree angle is to simulate self-administration by the patient. Now let us talk about basic features of Squeeze Force Tester. SFT has motorized squeezing facility that ensure constant and consistent squeezing force application. It has drop counting and weighing facility. The squeezing action can be controlled by jog in squeezing distance. Weighing can be possible up to 4 decimal for dispersed liquid drops. Nozzle holding fixtures are available for different size of ophthalmic bottles. SFT has two standard testing protocol. Method 1 single drop testing, method 2 multi drop testing. Let's say single drop testing. First of all, there is no sample preparation activity. We are simply put ophthalmic bottle sample into sample holder and adjust the squeezing distance according to the size of the bottle before start the test. Now select the method 1 for single drop test. Also set the test speed as per your requirement, then start the test. Here I am showing single drop testing in fast forward mode. As you can see, test has already started. Test started blinks. Digital weighing balance is connected with touchscreen interface. In method 1, SFT test software is programmed to measure 10 individual drop weight and squeeze force for one bottle. We can see in the video, to measure accurate value of squeeze force and drop weight, their value is getting 0 automatically after every drop count. When test completed, test over blinks. This is the real drop falling action during testing. After completion of test, we can take printout of test results with the use of serial printer. In multi-drop testing protocol, SFT software is programmed to measure drop weight and squeeze force for 2, 5 and 10 drops at one time simultaneously for one bottle. As per operator's flexibility or interest, Hematech Automated SFT offers two interfaces. One HMI/touch screen interface and PC interface. HMI or touchscreen interface. Here all operations are through touchscreen that gives drop count, drop weight, squeeze force, statistical data at the end of the test. It has capacity to store 50 results. Serial printer can be connected for printing the test results directly from the touchscreen. Hematech also provides PC interface. Here we can do all operations through Hematech proprietary software which has user access setting and data traceability enabling compliance with FDA 21 CFR Part 11. If there is a demand of specific protocol, it can be easily accommodated in both touchscreen and PC version. These are all technical specifications. Here, we also provide aquatic cover to ensure stability while weighing